Welcome to the Income Training Kit Chapter 4. ClickBank Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the ClickBank marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on clickbank.com, which is ClickBank's official homepage. On left, we have its logo, and in right, we have tabs like Home, Shop. We have all these options inside the Shop tab. Then we have Promote, Sell, Learn, Support. Then Log In and Sign Up button. Here it says ClickBank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. On this we can sell, shop, promote, learn. Scroll below and here we have empowering entrepreneur stats. In over 200 countries. For over 20 years. With over $4.2 billion paid. Then you can become an affiliate, just click on this Start Promoting button. And become a seller by clicking on this Start Selling button. Then automate and grow your online business. You can either sell or promote. On top, click on this Learn tab. Here it says, Learn with Spark. Spark is the official ClickBank education platform. At Spark, we're dedicated to helping internet newbies and experienced product vendors advance their digital marketing skill set. With a Learn More button. Then Fuel for Growth. Next is Spark Your Knowledge with comprehensive tutorials, cutting-edge education, expert guidance. At the bottom, a few more options and an Enroll button. On top, let's move to the home page. So that's pretty much everything about ClickBank. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 5. How to find affiliate products in any niche? In that video, we will see how to find affiliate products in any niche, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.